All right, let's talk about cryptocurrency. It's that digital gold rush, isn't it? The future of money, or so they say. Unfortunately, a massive chunk of those folks are scammers using crypto affiliate programs to fleece people. These aren't your friendly neighborhood coupon clippers. These are sophisticated operations designed to drain your bank account faster than you can say blockchain. They create fake cryptocurrency investment platforms, elaborate stage sets with nothing real behind the curtain. They enlist affiliate marketers to drive unsuspecting victims to these bogus sites. Victims invest their hard-earned cash, which then promptly vanishes into the digital ether. These scammers are not amateurs. They distribute thousands of these fraudulent platforms through a myriad of channels. They create a sense of legitimacy by copying the branding of well-known companies, making it incredibly difficult for the average person to spot the fake. So, before you even think about dipping your toe into a crypto investment that sounds too good to be true, you need to understand the treacherous waters you're navigating. Now, let's delve into the delightful world of the people who make these scams so effective, the affiliate marketers and the scam centers they feed. Affiliate marketers in this context are essentially lead generators for the criminal underworld. They are the ones casting the wide net, using various online techniques to find potential victims. Once they've got a lead, that's you by the way, if you click their dodgy link or give them your contact details, they sell this information to the scam centers. These scam centers are the engine rooms of the fraud. Think boiler rooms, but for the digital age. They've been identified in numerous countries, from Georgia and Israel to Bulgaria, Ukraine, Spain and Cyprus. Once your details land in their hands, you'll be contacted by persuasive, high-pressure salespeople. Their job is to convince you to invest in their fake cryptocurrency platforms. The affiliate marketers themselves are raking in serious cash from this dirty business. The entire operation relies on a constant, fresh supply of victims. So how exactly do these scammers and their affiliate marketing minions lure you into their traps? They employ a whole arsenal of deceptive marketing tactics. One of their go-to moves is the use of fake advertisements featuring unauthorized celebrity endorsements. They'll use images of beloved actors or popular TV hosts, all without permission, to create a false sense of trust and legitimacy. Another favorite tactic is impersonation. They will mimic the branding of well-known, trusted entities. They also cleverly leverage trending events. The most potent lure is the promise of unrealistic returns. These platforms will promise you the moon, often something like a 27% daily return on investment. Many of these scam platforms also exhibit classic characteristics of Ponzi or pyramid schemes. The whole structure is designed to collapse eventually, but not before the scammers at the top have siphoned off a fortune. Section 4. Counting the cost, the devastating price of fake fortunes. The financial impact of these crypto affiliate scams is a tale of two starkly contrasting realities. On one side, you have the affiliate marketers and scam operators swimming in illicit profits. On the other, far more tragic side, you have the victims, people from all walks of life lured by false promises who end up losing devastating amounts of money. The emotional toll, the shame, and the feeling of betrayal can be just as damaging as the financial loss. The ease with which these scammers can operate and the vast sums they can accumulate highlight a critical failure in our collective ability to protect vulnerable individuals in the digital age. The stark contrast between the millions earned by the perpetrators and the millions lost by their victims is a sickening testament to the predatory nature of these crypto affiliate scams. Section 5. Dodging the digital bullet. Recognizing the scammer's playbooks. So, how do you protect yourself from becoming another statistic in this depressing saga? Thankfully, while scammers are cunning, they often leave telltale signs. The biggest, brightest red flag is, without a doubt, unrealistic promises. If any platform or person guarantees you extraordinarily high returns with little to no risk, especially in the volatile world of crypto run. Another major warning sign is the overuse of celebrity endorsements. Pay close attention to the pressure tactics and the credentials of those you're dealing with. Scammers thrive on creating a sense of urgency. If representatives of a supposed investment firm are evasive when you ask for their company credentials, regulatory licenses, or physical address, that's a massive red flag. Finally, look out for technical red flags and the structure of the program. Always double-check website URLs and branding to ensure they aren't just cleverly mimicking legitimate companies. Section 6. The WhackAMole Problem. Why these scams are so hard to stop. Now, you might be wondering, if these scams are so prevalent and so damaging, why isn't more being done to stop them? Well, that's where things get incredibly frustrating. One of the biggest hurdles is the cross-border nature of these operations. Scammers are adept at operating across multiple jurisdictions, making legal repercussions incredibly difficult. Social media platforms and tech companies also bear some responsibility, and they're slowly, very slowly, starting to face scrutiny. Platforms like Meta, Facebook, have faced criticism and even lawsuits for allowing scam advertisements to proliferate on their sites. The fundamental issue, as prosecutors have highlighted, is that the entire business model of these crypto scams relies on a constant, unending supply of new leads, new victims. Cutting off this supply chain is key, but it's a complex challenge that involves international cooperation, better regulation of online advertising, and increased awareness among the general public. Ultimately, while regulators and law enforcement agencies are working to combat these scams, the fight is an uphill one. Vigilance, skepticism, and a healthy dose of "if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is" are your best weapons.